Marco Medina, and I have chosen to fix the Miata first. The Miata is the answer. I know you guys want me to build the 240, and I want to too, but I don't think I should yet. You know, cars are changing, they're not the same anymore. Gas is really expensive, and parts are getting really hard to find. I figured I'd build something a little bit easier to get me introduced back into the mechanic world, get you guys to see what I can do, and set a low standard, I guess is what I want to call it. I want to set a low standard so that I know I can achieve it, so when this build is done, we can go into the 240 with all the confidence in the world. We'll know what to do and how to do it. So in today's episode, I'm going to be showing you what I have to get started on the build. I want to take my time with the Miata, and this is what I have so far. This went to a machine shop, a very well-known machine shop, and I'm really impressed with his work. And the goal for this is to make it first a reliable NA car. Let's get it running, let's get it on the road, then we start seeing what we need to upgrade. But for now, let's unbox everything and let you guys check it out. Look at this mirror finish at the bottom. Look at that. If you're really excited for that, let me show you the timing belt kit. No, I'm kidding, but I do want to show you guys that I have this. At least most of it right here. And then of course, the most important part, the block. Look at this. Look at those brand new pistons. Look at that beauty. And then over here, you have your gasket kit, your gasket set. I want to be going in with this confident, and this is simple. There's a lot of people out there that have a good Miata community, and after this we can move up to the 240. I've always kind of loved Miatas. If you've ever driven one, go drive one. You can talk about it all you want, but go drive one, and they're great handling cars. So my answer is, let's build this engine, let's build it together as a team, and let's start figuring out how the car works. So in the next couple episodes, I want to start figuring out putting the timing kit on the actual block, top dead center, putting the head on here, and then painting the block, and then cleaning everything as much as possible. I want to start assembling everything. And I want to do justice to my friend who actually I bought this car from, and my very good friend Sam. And this car has been dubbed Mia by Sam. My goal is to make his vision come to life. Even though my goal for this car is time attack, I at least want to make sure this car gets back on the road and he gets to drive it again to bring back some memories. So I'm super excited. You know, we have all these parts, we have the space, we have good friends helping us. I think it's time to take this KA out of this engine engine stand, and get the NA 1.6 Miata engine on here and start figuring out how everything works. Before putting this KA into the 240, I want to see what's actually wrong with the other KA. So maybe we do like a little feature episode once we take a little break from the Miata so we don't get tunnel vision. But I'm super excited about the Miata, and I hope you guys are too. I know it's been done, but it's never been done like this. I am gonna try my hardest though to make it a combination of how I see my vision, what I like, what I want it to be. You want to see me build a Miata and then go to the track and kill it? Don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Adios.